Guys, so we are back with another Beyblade Bus GT unboxing. So this time we have Master Diabolos from the Flame brand again, and this is a dual spin bay balance type. So let's unbox this. At first let's check out the back of the box. So we have the Diabolos Gachi chip, then we have the Master base. So this is the dual spin base, which we can switch in left spin to right spin or right spin to left spin. So that's why there is two pictures. And then we have our generate driver. So there is no disc in this box, it's the driver and disc combined. So quick look at the specs: right spinning and left spinning attributes. So the generate driver is seen before with the Metal Saga in El Drago Destroy. We see the Final Survive. That's basically the same gimmick. So let's open the box now. Okay, so now let's open the box. So at first we have our bay package. Let's keep it aside. Then we have our LR launcher. This is the Ripcord launcher, so in red color. So next we have our launcher grip. This is blue in color, so sick color matchup, red and blue. And at last we have our dragon winder again, so longer winder with extra power, so sick. And that's all in the box. So let's now open the bay package. So in our bay package we have all these parts. So we talk about the bay parts later. Let's talk about the accessories which came with this box at first. So we have our LR launcher. This is in red color, which matches the Beyblade perfectly. So this is the dual spin base, so LR launcher is very comfortable. So next we have our this grip. This is the very grippy. This is very grippy, so very comfort when you launch your bay. So and the colors are too good. Red and blue matches perfectly. So then we have this and special part. So this is our dragon winder. This is so long, just like the previous video when we unboxed Lord Spriggan. We got the dragon winder too. So this causes the extra power in your launch. So this is super cool. Okay, so now let's talk about all the parts in our bay. So this is the Diabolos Gachi chip. This compatible for this base in right spin and left spin, both directions. So this is pretty good upgrade from the Venom Diabolos. And next we have this small weight. It's very small. It's a little weight in the whole base. So that's make I think this make the Beyblade a little bit lighter. So at next part we have our master base. So this is the dual spin base. So at first in this up position, this is the right spin mode. So the wing direction is going like this. The wing will go like this, but when we put it in the left spin direction, so we just flip it around. So this looks very awkward, but this works perfectly with the base. So this is in left spin mode and this is the right spin mode. So this is super crazy. And at last we have this generate driver. This driver has the same gimmick like the Final Survive. So when you launch your bay, harder, then these flaps will come out, and you basically get this flat plastic tip, so the bay will move very fast around the stadium, and as soon you get slower, then this clicks retracts and you can get this white plastic tip, so you will be in your stamina mode. So this is all the parts for Master Diabolos, and you can't get any stickers with it because all colors are already implemented in the whole bay. So now let's put in together. So let's put in together now. We have our weight, let's put in, then our catchy chip, then make sure we lock it in, and after that we have to put it. So this clicks very tight, so that's impressive. But look at this, look at this gap, look at this gap. So if the opponent stuck in there, Master Diabolos gets some flying attack, so that's crazy. So if we now put in into the left spin mode, so we have to just put the catchy chip out, flip it, let's put on our weight, let's put it inside like that. Now let's put the catchy chip back on and make sure we lock it in, and now put the, so this is in left spin now. So this is like a shield design. So the left spin is the defense mode and the right spin is attack. So that's how Master Diabolos is clicks in. The left spin is also pretty tight, so that's good. So this is our unboxing for Master Diabolos. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Please share it with your other friends and go check out the video description below. If you want this bay, you can get my link from the Amazon, and stay tuned for my other unboxing videos. Until then, stay home, stay safe.